Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and we have Denise. And you guys, we're gonna make a quick, like super quick and easy DIY.
Super cute though.
Super cute though. So what we've got is we've got a mirror here. I was gonna have them see themselves.
Yeah.
One of the round mirrors from the Dollar Tree. One of the red charger plates from the Dollar Tree. And then these two things, they are actually the small version of this, right? Wrapped with this tinsely black stuff. Now, the reason I have them is because I don't know if you remember from Christmas or Halloween.
Probably Halloween.
It was Halloween. They were witches' hats. And this was the base of a witch hat that I had gotten at the 99-cent store. And I had two of them, so I kept these. But you guys could use, again, the smaller version
and just
of these and wrap it
yourself.
Yeah, some black ribbon. But, I mean, we're going to have you make it.
Oh. I burn myself all the time.
Oh, well, Susan got us some of these. So we're good.
Oh.
Let's just, there you go. Put this on your finger.
Okay. Why do I need three?
I don't know. I was gonna see how many I could get you to put on your hands.
Well, I understand these ones.
But I don't think really any of this is gonna have to be. So what we're gonna do is we're just going to, and you could take this mirror out if you didn't want it to be black, but I think the black is gonna go really, I mean,
yeah,
it just goes well, right? So go ahead and we are going to do the outer rim because it's gonna stick on this outer rim here. There's no point.
Like this.
There's no point in doing it in the center because it dips down a little bit.
This on?
Yes.
Oh, mic check.
Mic check.
Okay. So one thing I don't like about glue guns is you have to keep doing it.
Yeah.
Then you get that random hand cramp. I do, at least.
No, it's true. That's real. But you do have to kind of do it fast, even if you miss a little bit. I know, I'm sorry. Because otherwise this part up here is going to dry. And then you're going to be stuck. There you go.
I feel like you waste a lot of glue this way.
Well, you probably don't need to do it all the way around like that.
Too late. I've already committed.
I know you have. And then, now this is where you don't want to burn yourself. Because you're going to want to flip it around and put it on here. And line it up. Don't just slap it down. I know.
Now you're just getting picky.
Yeah, you actually did a really good job.
I didn't even feel the heat on my thumb.
No. Okay, and then there you go. I mean, just that alone is cute, right?
Yeah.
You could just hang that.
Put a candle on it, like a pillar.
Oh, you could do that. See? We'll tell you everything you could do that we're not going to do. And then you're going to take these guys.
Is this going to melt, this stuff?
I don't believe so. I don't believe so. But you're going to want to put it right in
on
here.
On the plastic hard part, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you're going to put it on the plastic hard part. And if you don't know what we're making by now, oh, where you're going to put it?
Sure.
We'll have to show you in the end.
Do I need another one to push this in? I do, huh? Are these all the same size? I can't see it in here.
And we will have to flip this over because because we haven't made this before. We're just going with what our idea.
It sounds good in our head.
Good. And it looked cute before we put glue on it.
Okay. Right there?
Yeah.
Sure. And then we'll just flip it over to make sure it's adhered on the other side.
It is really cute. Can you tell what it is yet? Have you guys figured out what it is?
You think? I don't know how long it takes for it to dry.
I don't know. It's going to take a little while because I could still feel the heat through here. But we'll probably have to popsicle some sticks. Popsicle sticks on there to give it some, like, solid
Foundation?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, see, that didn't... You're going to have to re-glue that.
Can you glue on top of the glue? Or will it... Oh.
Yeah, you can glue on top of the glue.
One finger you don't have the thingy on.
This could just be a whole entire blooper video right here.
Okay, so...
Yeah, if you glue on top of that, it'll reheat that as well. Yeah, we're definitely going to have... Oh, yeah, we're definitely going to have to...
We're going to end up using, like...
We're going to have to do some popsicle sticks to hold everything together. So, we're going to find some... Yeah, E6000. We're going to find some popsicle sticks and get a backing for you. Hold on. Okay, I don't have popsicle sticks, but I grabbed some of these and I thought we could take them apart and then put them like this. But then when I got here, this actually fits perfectly right there and lays somewhat flat.
Flat enough.
Flat enough, yep. So,
your turn.
My turn. We're actually going to put the glue right in here on both sides. Glue that in there, if you can see. And then stick this in there. And hold on real quick. There we go. Okay, and then while that's being glued on there, we're also going to take the hot glue and put all kinds of hot glue back here. And too much is more than enough.
It's more than enough.
More than enough. And we're just going to get that all in there, and that's going to hold that as well. So you could do that one.
You gonna maybe reach across it?
Okay, I'll do it. I thought you wanted to do this. Anyways, this is for one of our family friends who really, I mean, tell him how much she loves.
Loves, not just Mickey, but Disney in general.
All of Disney in
all
general.
Of it.
So.
They figured we'd make this, and she can put it in her room.
Yeah. Well. And then we can also tie the some string between these two pieces. So it'll make a hanger as well. So it works out really, really good. And then I'm going to put some over the top onto the two glue, and that'll, the bottom glue and the top glue.
Oh, the two glue?
The two glue.
Oh, where's the other glue?
People know my language. Beauties have their own little crafting language. So, we're just going to let that dry. And then, when we flip it up, you'll be able to see the little Mickey head.
Super cute.
It is really cute. We've already picked it up. I should have picked it up and showed you. But we're going to let this dry, and then we're going to hang it up. We're going to tie the string between the two.
So you can't see it necessarily when it's hanging, but it's there.
Right. And then we'll show you a picture of the finished product. If you think it's cute, give us a thumbs up. If you don't think it's cute, give us a thumbs up.
Why not? It's all about positivity.
We lift each other up. You're like, that's a horrible piece. Good job.
A for effort.
All right, beauties. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you for helping me with this. This is actually her idea. So it was pretty cool.
I'm not crafty. I just give her ideas on how to do things.
Well, our original one was to use this as well, right?
Yeah.
But then I couldn't find this stuff to match with it. But then when we saw this, we're like, hey,
red.
That's kind of Mickey red anyways. So we went with it, and it's going to come out really cute. I've already
I think so.
seen it, so. All right, you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. We'll talk to you later. Make sure you subscribe because we'll do more
Oh, yeah.
DIYs and fun stuff.
So many more. It's okay, though. It's all fun. So.
All right. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
Bye.
Okay. Actually, we were sitting here talking, and I'm
Literally after we turned off the camera.
right. And then we tried it, and we lifted it, and it does work. Look at. Isn't that cute? Where's your face? We think it was super cute. Anyway, I think that's going to be super cute hanging on the wall.
Yep.
So.
Let's see.
Oh, yeah. They can't see. You
Oh,
can lower it.
The one time.
That is so cute.
That is cute. That'd be cute in a kid's room.
Yes. Well, and her room has
Yeah,
Minnie
Mickey.
and is it Mickey?
Both.
It's really cute.
Or in a bathroom.
Mm-hmm. All right. I hope
So
you guys
exciting.
got some inspiration. Thank you for the idea.
Sure.
Okay, for reals. Bye.